Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. This is PJ's Coin Capers, and this is PJ. So if you've seen the other videos, we've been going through each of the denominations, and this is the final one. So this is the 5 cent coin roll. There's $2 worth of coins in here. So plenty of 5 cent pieces to go through. So we will try and push through very quickly and see what we can find. Not a heap to look for in the 5 cent coins, but if you do find something, they certainly have some potential. So obviously these are probably going to be a bit hard for you guys to see each and every one, so I'll try and call out a few. But being a 5 cent coin, there is some fairly high mintages on these coins, and there's only a few years that have a lower mintage, and the 1972 is certainly the one that everyone wants to try and find. So sorry, I'll just zoom out a bit there. I might come in a little bit closer for you guys. Yeah, we'll try and get through these fairly quickly. It's a 93 and a 94. But obviously we're trying to look for stuff that is worth more than face value. So in particular, we obviously want the 72, but the 2016 changeover is one that I'm also keeping. So I'm hoping that we can find some of those today as well. There are some errors that can also be found with the 5 cent coin. And if we find anything or a coin that does have that kind of error. So this one here is a 2001. There is an error with these guys, which I'll put into another future video soon, but this particular coin does not have that error, so I won't spend time on that now. 2016. So no, nothing. Make sure you rotate them all. These coins are quite shiny, and obviously we're getting a bit of reflection onto the camera there. 2016. No. Try and get through them a bit quicker, so I'm not rotating in the way that I normally would like to. But we'll get through them faster if I onto the next roll. So nothing worth keeping in the first lot. Okay, what have we got here? It's a 71. Thought it was a 72 there for a tick. But anyway, not this time. 1990 and 99. 94, 2010. 2017 now. The mintages aren't out as yet on that 2017. Sorry about that. But that's a 2017 right there. I am starting to find a few more, but I do at the moment, because the mintages haven't been released as yet, I am keeping every single one. There's another New Zealand coin. If you've seen my 10 cent coin video, you'll see that I found a New Zealand coin in there. This one here, I think it's just post-mint damage. It's shown a bit of wear, but it's a little bit unusual. But due to its age being 1967, I'm going to say that it's happened post-mint. Okay, let's keep going through. 2008, 88, 87, 68, 2005, 2007. There is an error with the 2007, but it's a very obvious one, and there is 2 heads, which I've never found one, but I keep looking and hoping, but who knows, maybe someday. Yeah, always exciting when there's another 2017. We'll put that aside. Oh, 81. if you look at these guys sometimes under a magnifying glass, you can see some fine cracks in the coins, especially at the bottom of the 5. Certainly, if you look at that on the 2001, you'll find an error that does come along every now and then. So just try and look at that. But no, nothing worth looking at there. Okay, we'll grab another roll. Right. 92, 2010, 2006, 2016, which is the normal one, not the changeover one. That's not a flamingo. That was a 2001 before. 23. Okay. 2016. There's a 71. Try and just flick through a few of these. See if there's anything worth hanging on to. Not so far. It's a little bit off center, but not enough. It's a nice high quality coin for a 2003. That's another 2003, so maybe you can see the difference between those last two. Certainly worth keeping the nice ones if you don't have one. So okay. No. So yeah, no real commemorative coins to look for in the 5 and 10 cent coins. So not a heap to look for. So can be a little bit boring and a bit of a strain on your eyes as well. But keep looking, and you'll come across there's another 2017. You'll come across a 1972, and it does take some persistence. I think from my searching for 1972s, I usually find one, and it's probably getting less, to be honest, but usually my rule of thumb is that I'll find a 1972 5-cent coin, one in every $100 of coins. So it's a heck of a lot of coins to go through, but if you can find a nice high quality one, it's certainly worth it, and certainly more worth it if you don't have one. So, and a lot of people really struggle to try and even find one. So persistence is the key. Alright, okay, we'll try and skip through these a bit faster now. No. So, no, just checking all the dates. Because I've been through them so much, I do know the dates to look for. I know which errors are on each coin as well, that are the known errors anyway. So, yeah, it does make it a bit quicker. And once you do know, you fly through these coins. So, yeah, keep learning. Keep asking questions, finding people who are more knowledgeable than yourself, and you'll soon know exactly what to keep and what not to keep. So, alright, we've got one more roll to go through, and Yes, we haven't found much worth hanging on to, but that's part of it. But hopefully, you never know what's going to come up in the next roll. That's the fun of it, isn't it? And certainly good to get your kids involved in this kind of thing. So my youngest child does have an interest in it. He also has an interest in computer games, so it does keep him away from doing this kind of stuff. But he's certainly learnt a lot over the past few years, just going through coins, and certainly whenever he gets some pocket money or gets some change, he knows exactly what to quickly look for and whether there's something worth keeping. So yeah, certainly kids are able to absorb that kind of stuff and the information, so they're the collectors of the future. So we want to try and educate our children, and yeah, they learn a lot about the history of each of the coins. So alright, we're finding anything. It's a nice 2001, very nice coin. And we're almost done. A few more to go. Sometimes I have to have a double look at these coins. You think you see something, but you don't. Anyway, keep going. A few more. 82, 2004, 2008, and 2005. Nope, nothing. Alright guys, well, I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope I've been able to point out a few things to you. But please check out the other coins, the other videos, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.